This is at Roosevelt Avenue subway, where you get the EFMR and the 7 train. And this phone's been dead a long time. It's a PTS rig, and I think I might be the one who stole the top placard from this one. It's got no earpiece, and that's its old number. See all this, and it's a TTY, but that doesn't work either. Used to be those TTY units cost something like $1,000 new. They were really pretty expensive and a bit of a pain in the ass for the payphone business back in the day, back in when they had to start putting them in 1990. Now the touch tone keys still work, but there's something, there's some sort of viscous material on the handset. Gonna have to find some sanitizer quick. And this one's PTS, but I think you can still see, I think this is the one where you can still see vestiges of the Verizon brand somewhere. There's the TTY signal, or sign. Yeah, there it is. That's a little bit of the Verizon logo. Not fully spray painted over. Verizon used to own all these subway phones, but they gave them up to PTS probably back in 2010 or 2011. This is a cool subway station, actually. It's got a lot going on. I'm gonna go upstairs. So this is in the same subway station as previous. It looks like I'm at Broadway on 74th Street. In I guess this is Jackson Heights. And yes, this one has dial tone. I discovered this one kind of recently, and I was really surprised to find it, because I've been through this station a number of times, and maybe I gave it up for lost that there weren't any payphones at this station, or working ones. There was that one downstairs that we just looked at, but this again is a PTS. In full working order. Well, it has dial tone. Let's leave it at that, because having dial tone doesn't always mean that you can make a regular call, but it's a pretty good sign, pretty good signal that you can.